Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a YouTube channel dashboard with YouTube Studio, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to youtube.com. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. You will be redirected to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see various navigation options. Click on Customization to start customizing your channel layout. In the Layout section, you can decide how you want your channel homepage to appear. Next, navigate to the Branding tab. Here, you can upload your channel logo, banner image, and video watermark. Make sure your images meet YouTube's recommended dimensions for optimal display. Now, move on to the Basic Info section. Fill in your channel name, description, and links to your social media accounts. Next, click on Content in the left menu to manage your uploaded videos. Here you can organize your videos into playlists for better viewer navigation. Return to the left sidebar and click on Analytics. This section provides valuable insights into your video performance and audience engagement. Take some time to explore the data, as it will help you understand your viewers better. Now, head to monetization if you're eligible to set up ads or memberships. Follow the instructions to enable monetization features for your channel. Go back to the left side and click on Settings for additional configurations. Under Channel, you can set up your default upload settings and manage featured videos. Explore the Community tab to manage your comments and user engagement features. Be sure to check out the permissions to manage who can access your channel. Finally, review all the settings you have adjusted to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, your YouTube channel dashboard is now ready for action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.